What's going on, Shot Squad? In this video I'm going to be doing a battery change on the KTM 690 Enduro.
Shot Brew.
If you haven't seen the previous video, that I actually was stuck out in some of the trails out in the forestry sections there. I actually had a problem with the battery. The battery went completely dead, so if you haven't seen that, please go check out that video as well. So in this video I'm just going to do a quick replacement for the battery and see if that might fix a few other problems in terms of electricity. Also with the battery draining so quickly. We did test out the battery before and we could just see it wasn't holding charge at all. So this one I'm just going to do a quick replacement for the battery. Gear first. No neutral light. Putting into first gear now. That's neutral. Second gear. First neutral, so no neutral light showing, no gear, no start. anyone can help me figure out what I need to do for this, trying to get it sorted, be much appreciated. Send me a comment in the video down below. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.